In the world of flagship smartphones, the battle between the Huawei Pura 90 Pro Max and the iPhone 17 Pro is heating up. With cutting-edge camera technology, powerful processors, and stunning displays, which device truly stands out? Are you ready to discover which phone reigns supreme in photography, performance, and battery life? Join us as we dive deep into the specs that matter most. Will the innovative features of Huawei outshine Apple's legendary ecosystem, or will the iPhone maintain its crown? Stick around, because you won't want to miss this showdown. When it comes to photography, the Huawei Pura 90 Pro Max boasts an impressive main camera setup with a 200MP telephoto lens, allowing for exceptional zoom capabilities and detail retention. This feature is perfect for capturing stunning landscapes or distant subjects without losing clarity. In contrast, the iPhone 17 Pro offers a balanced 48MP wide lens with advanced sensor shift OIS, ensuring your shots are steady and vibrant, especially in low-light conditions. Both phones excel in their own right, but the zoom prowess of Huawei truly sets it apart in this category. For selfies, the iPhone 17 Pro takes the lead with an 18MP front camera that includes a depth sensor for enhanced portrait shots, making your selfies look professional and polished. Meanwhile, the Huawei Pura 90 Pro Max features a 13MP ultra-wide selfie camera, perfect for group shots or capturing more of the background. While both deliver great results, the iPhone's depth capabilities give it an edge in creating stunning self-portraits. Under the hood, the Huawei Pura 90 Pro Max is powered by the Kirin 9030S chipset, offering robust performance and efficiency. This octa-core processor ensures smooth multitasking and gaming experiences. On the flip side, the iPhone 17 Pro is equipped with the A19 Pro chip, known for its lightning-fast performance and energy efficiency, making it a powerhouse in both everyday tasks and demanding applications. While both devices are impressive, Apple's A19 Pro has a proven track record for delivering top-tier performance. In benchmark tests, the Huawei Pura 90 Pro Max shines with an impressive AnTuTu score of 2,800,000, showcasing its raw power and efficiency. In comparison, the iPhone 17 Pro scores 2,139,544, which, while still formidable, falls short of Huawei's performance metrics. This clear advantage in performance makes the Huawei device a compelling choice for power users and gamers alike. The Huawei Pura 90 Pro Max features a stunning 6.9-inch LTPO OLED display with a resolution of 1308 by 2880 pixels, offering vibrant colors and deep contrasts, perfect for media consumption. The iPhone 17 Pro, with its 6.3-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display, also impresses with its peak brightness of 3000 nits and Dolby Vision support, providing an exceptional viewing experience. While both displays are top-notch, the larger screen of Huawei offers more immersive visuals, making it ideal for movie lovers. In terms of unique features, the Huawei Pura 90 Pro Max introduces the XMAGE imaging system, enhancing photo quality through advanced AI processing and offering innovative features like BDS satellite calling. On the other hand, the iPhone 17 Pro's standout feature is the Action button, allowing for customizable shortcuts and quick access to your favorite functions. Both devices provide unique experiences, but Huawei's imaging advancements cater beautifully to photography enthusiasts. Battery life is crucial for any smartphone user, and the Huawei Pura 90 Pro Max excels with a massive 6,000 mAh battery, ensuring you stay powered throughout the day with heavy usage. The iPhone 17 Pro, while slightly smaller at 4,252 mAh, still offers impressive longevity thanks to Apple's optimization. However, the sheer capacity of Huawei's battery makes it a clear winner for users seeking extended usage without frequent recharging.